Hello and good afternoon. Welcome to another Creative Corner series episode. Today we are going to be working on pop art. Before we get started with our workshop, we'll go over some of our supplies. But just a quick summary, pop art was made popular during the 50s with some pioneer artists such as Andy Warhol, Lichtenstein, and a few other famous artists that people don't really know that well, like Richard Hamilton and Keith Haring. So with that, let's go ahead and go over some of our supplies. To reiterate, we are going to be working on pop art, which was popular during the 50s. It challenged the traditions of fine art by including pop culture imagery as well as mass culture. It was mainly used kind of like in advertising, comic books, and mundane mass-produced objects. Some famous works is Marilyn Monroe, done by Andy Warhol, the spray paint can from Lichtenstein. I did an example myself, so I did a few geodes, kind of in the style of Marilyn Monroe, Andy Warhol's Marilyn Monroe. Then we have our blank canvas. We also have some acrylic paints that we'll be using today, a variety of paint brushes, of course my pencil, my erasers, a cup of water to clean off the paint from the brushes, and a paper towel. Before we actually get started with our workshop, if you are interested in doing this at home, you can submit a request for a supply kit and you'll receive this 8 by 10 inch canvas panel. And it also has these written instructions of what pop art is, of course when our workshop is, how you can view it, the supplies we provide, as well as the supplemental supplies. And I did put a few other examples of some pop art too. But with that, let's go ahead and get started with our workshop. Thank you for joining me on today's workshop. We worked on some pop art, so this is the example that I made earlier. In today's workshop, we worked on this larger size one together, so it's both pink and blue. If you are interested, we do have these 8 by 10 inch canvas panels available through Curbside, and I did include some instructions for you, as well as some helpful information, as well as a few examples. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to all of our social media. We have Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and much more. If you don't know how to follow us, you're more than welcome to give us a call and we'll walk you through the process. And if you have any future ideas for any creative quarter sessions, be sure to put it in the comments down below. Join us next week as we make some artist trading cards. With that, thank you very much, and I hope you have a good rest of your day.